Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how to create your very first mod using the website EpicMC.rocks. Remember, you need to have two things before you can start. One is a Minecraft license on a PC or a Mac, and the second is that you need a Modly account on EpicMC.rocks. If you don't have one, then go back and listen to my previous recording. Okay, let's start. So I'm at the EpicMC.rocks website, and there's a link here that will take you to the EpicMC Modly. I will go ahead and click that. You can also directly go to the site by typing in epicmc.rocks/modly. I'll go ahead and log in to my account, and now I'm in. So this is my programming area. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a very simple mod that will just allow you to issue a command, and it will just say hello whiz kids or whatever you want to put in. So to begin, we will first need to give ourselves a mod name. I'm going to call this my first mod. Okay, and on the left hand side are all the different blocks that you can program in your mod. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on functions, and I'm going to grab or drag the function block out into my workspace. It says do something, but I'm going to go ahead and change this to say start. Start is actually a special function that tells EpicMC Modly where to start your program. So when you first run your mod, this is the code that will actually get run. I'm going to go ahead and select the Minecraft players and say player with the empty block sends message. There's two empty spots here, which tells me that I need to fill it in with something. I'll go ahead and select players and select the me option and put it in here. Notice that when it fits in kind of like a puzzle, and you'll even hear a clicking sound if you have your volume turned up. Then I'll go ahead and select the text, and I will go ahead and choose the one with the double quotes in them. Again, I'm going to select this, drag it, and put it into the second slot. And here I can actually put in any message I want to say. I'm going to just say hello whiz kids, and with an exclamation. Now that I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and deploy. Actually, when I click on deploy, it will also save my mod as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click deploy, and it says mod deploy. To run in Minecraft, you have to enter this command. Minecraft launched here. I'm logged in, and I'm going to click on the play button. Now, EpicMC Modly supports 1.7 all the way up to the latest version. So I'm running 1.13.2 here. So I'm click on play. I'll go ahead and launch. Now Minecraft is up and running, and we'll go ahead and click on multiplayer, and here you can actually add our server, or you could do a direct connect. I'll show you actually how to add our server, so the next time you want to come back, it will be easy to just go ahead and select. So add server. I'm going to go ahead and replace this with EpicMC Rocks. And as I mentioned, the Minecraft server is the same as our website name. So just type in epicmc.rocks. And then you go ahead and say done, and now I can just click on this and join server. So go ahead and connect to our server, and you'll be launched into the world. This is our lobby here. So now I'm in here, and I'm going to move up to the lobby here, and you'll see some other games that you can play, but the one we're interested in today is this epicmc.rocks. You'll see how it gives you a link of where you can create the mods. I'm going to go there, and then I'm going to right click, and then it'll take me to my world. Actually, you get your own little plot, so different users will, or each user will actually get their own plot, and now I'm here. And if you see what it says up here, it says type in this mod WizKids my first mod. So I'm just going to go back here and type in mod WizKids my first mod. And there it says. It says hello WizKids. So you have now just created your very first mod.